Hi, I'm Kristen Williams, and in this video we're going to talk about YouTube branding watermarks. We're going to cover how you can add a watermark to your YouTube videos, how you can create your own watermark, and why you should be watermarking your videos on YouTube. Okay, to add a watermark to your YouTube video, you're going to need to go into YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, on the left side you'll see the option for customization. Click on customization and you'll find layout, branding, and basic info. We want to click on branding. Once we're there, we have an option to add our profile picture or our channel icon, our banner image, and then lastly, the video watermark. This is where we want to be. So if you don't have a watermark on your videos already, you're going to click the upload button and it'll let you choose an image from your computer to upload. The guidelines you need to know for YouTube watermark is that it needs to be at least 150 by 150 pixels and no larger than 1 megabyte. Okay, once you have your watermark uploaded, you're going to see 3 options for display time: end of video, custom start time, or entire video. I recommend selecting entire video because it's going to have your watermark on every video the entire time anyone is watching. After you make your selection here, just click Publish in the top right and your watermark will be on all of your videos. So if you don't already have a watermark you can upload for your channel, I want to show you a really easy way you can create one by yourself for free. It's using a website called Canva. So if we go to canva.com, this is a website that really helps you kind of be a graphic designer even if you have no design experience. So on canva.com, click on templates on the top left, and then I want you to click on Instagram post. We're not creating an Instagram post, but the nice thing about this is it gives us a square to work with. So you'll see an option to create a blank Instagram post, and if you click on that, it'll come up with a blank square for us to work with. So now that we're here, we can do a lot of things. You can select text, click maybe add a subheading, and we'll write the word subscribe, and we'll make that a little bigger, kind of like that. And then maybe we want to make it a different color. And then if we want to add something behind it to make it a little more interesting, we can. So here's a circle. If you need to move anything behind something else on Canva, there's an option up here for position, and you just click backwards and then move it back. And we can kind of center that and maybe make this another color. Just kind of a light color, maybe it's kind of a light pink. You can do a lot of really neat stuff with Canva. You can add drop shadows to your text to give it a little more personality. You can also add the YouTube logo. So if you go to Elements and search YouTube, you'll find all of these different versions of the YouTube logo. One thing to note, some of them will say free, like this one does, and then others say pro. So if you see one that says pro and it has the little crown next to it, just know that you have to pay for Canva in order to use those. Once you have something that you think would be an awesome watermark, just go up to the top right and click download. Download this as a PNG file and use a transparent background. If you don't use a transparent background, your watermark image will have the white square around it. So using a transparent background allows that watermark image to kind of float on your videos. And once you click this download button, it'll download to your desktop and you can upload that to YouTube like we did in the previous step. Okay, now that we've talked about how to add a watermark to your YouTube videos and how to create that watermark, I want to talk really briefly about why you should be watermarking your videos on YouTube. Having a branding watermark on YouTube really provides consistency throughout all your videos. It makes it so that when someone's watching one of your videos, they know that it's your content. Maybe the most important reason you want to add a branding watermark to your YouTube videos is because it's clickable. When someone's watching your video and they see that watermark and it says subscribe or your channel name, they can click it and it'll take them directly to your channel homepage and they can subscribe to your content. I hope this watermark tutorial was helpful for you. If you're someone who's looking to start or grow a YouTube channel, I have some awesome resources for you to check out in the video description. The first one is a Facebook group I've created. It's for people who are looking to grow their reach on YouTube. I also have linked a YouTube glossary that I created. It covers all the terminology we use here in the YouTube world. It defines them and provides some helpful tips that'll really help you get started and grow on YouTube. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more how-to videos about YouTube. I'll see you next time. Bye.